I'm here with Michael Fuco Rizzo, the proprietor and innkeeper of the Julian Price House here in Greensboro, and this home is absolutely stunning. How long have you owned it?
We bought the house in 2016. We took us a few years to restore it, and we've been open for guests since 2019. So when we bought it in 2016, it needed quite a bit of restoration, and everything you see in here is original. We took out every piece of hardware and had it restored. These are all the original steel casement windows, the original hardwood floors, all of the woodwork, the plaster ceiling in this room. There are 5 guest suites that we have open. You have the option to rent by the room, or some guests rent the entire estate, just depending on what they're doing. The house is 4 stories. It's somewhere between 10 and 11,000 square feet. It's categorized as 31 rooms. And there is a complete underground level that's hidden from the street. That's an identical footprint of this that we're on. Outside, we have 1.6 acres of manicured gardens. The only thing on the grounds that are original are the trees. Every other plant that you see out there, the thousands of them, have been put in by us. We wanted to create a home. This is our home, and we share that home with the public. So I walk through this room. Part of my guest speech is, kick your feet up, read an iPad, read a book, have a glass of wine, just like that. It is meant, and I also tell people it's not a museum. So it is full of historical books from the 1930s and 40s, an 1800s piano. This is 16th century artwork behind you. But at the same time, I have 10-year-old twin girls, and they can flip off the couch. So it is meant to be enjoyed by everyone.
Michael, tell me about some of the unique history around this home.
So the house was built in 1929 for Julian Price. He was the president of Jefferson Standard Life Insurance Company, which is today owned by Lincoln Financial Group. It was built in 10 months. It was started during the Great Depression. There would have been a lot of people here working, creating this place.
This is quite a find, so what are you hearing back from guests?
They absolutely love the experience here. So we personally greet everybody, either myself or Lynn that works with us. We greet everybody, we give them a tour, we get them settled in their rooms. So it is a very hands-on personal experience. I've had people come from Alaska to see the house. I have had people come from Europe because they know the history and have read about it. We've had famous celebrities stay here that have found us. Our most famous celebrity is Carrie Underwood. She stayed with us. But it's just it's anybody coming into town for the Greensboro Aquatic Center, for soccer, for the new Tanger Center that we have downtown. It's just a variety. It's parents visiting their kids. The most popular feedback that we get is the details of the house. So whether it's the artwork or the little tchotchke on the shelf behind me, how did we compile so much and make it feel so homey? I mean, that took us over a year to do. So that sense of home is what we hear back the most from guests.
Well, Michael, that is just a fascinating story. I can't wait to explore the home more. Thanks so much.
Thank you for coming.
The Julian Price House is at 301 Fisher Park Circle in Greensboro. To book your room or even the entire estate, give them a call at 336-510-0519 or go online to julianpricehouse.com.